Open the product's outer carton and remove all accessories. Check the Quick Start Guide to learn how to use the robot vacuum. Check against the list to confirm no accessories are missing. Remove protective films, parts from the base station. Place the base station in an open area with good Wi-Fi signal. Ensure sufficient clearance space as shown in the diagram. Do not place any other objects within the shaded areas. Install the base station ramp extension plate. Securely connect the power cord and plug it in. Ensure the base station indicator light is illuminated. Remove the robot. Remove protective films, strips from the robot. Press and hold the power button on the robot for 3 seconds to turn it on. Turn robot upside down. Attach the mop pads to the brackets.
Mop pads installed.
Install side brush. Place the robot into the base station. A voice prompt confirming charging indicates a successful connection.
Start charging.
Open the cover of the base station and remove the clean water tank. Fill an appropriate amount of clean water into the tank. Reinstall the clean water into the base station. Close the cover of the base station. To replace the dust bag, you can open the base station top cover. Remove and discard the used dust bag. Insert new dust bag and close the dust compartment cover. Open the robot's flip cover and scan the QR code on the body with your phone. Alternatively, search for the Dreame Home app in your app store, download and install it. Open the Dreame Home app. If you are using the app for the first time, click Sign Up Now. You can use your cell phone number or email to register. After successful logging in, tap to scan the QR code for connection. Scan the QR code on the robot again to add the device. Finish the connection as prompted on the app. The robot's indicator light will start blinking slowly, indicating it has entered network pairing mode.
Waiting for the network configuration.
After successful connection, you can customize settings via on-screen prompts based on your floor plan layout. Tap Setting, Firmware Upgrade, and upgrade the firmware to the latest version. Before the first cleaning, ensure the robot departs from the base station for safety and smooth operation. Open all doors to areas that need cleaning throughout your home. Move away items that are easily knocked over, fragile, valuable, or potentially hazardous. Clear as much cleaning space as possible. For first-time use, it's recommended to perform fast mapping following the app guidance. The robot will complete a full house map creation in 5-10 minutes without performing cleaning. After mapping is complete, you can set up zones based on your home layout. Edit special areas including your furniture, carpet, virtual walls, and no-go zones. Click Threshold, Ramp. Add passable, impassable thresholds and ramps on the map. Dreame D30 Ultra has begun its first cleaning officially. You can select the desired cleaning mode, suction power, mop pad dampness, and other settings in the app. Tap the settings icon at the top right corner to access more customization settings, including customizations of carpet, corner and gap, etc. If you have a pet, it is recommended to enable the Pet mode to customize pet-related settings. Start cleaning via the app or by briefly pressing the power button on the robot. The robot will perform floor cleaning following the optimal route planned based on the map. During mopping, the robot will automatically return to wash the mop pad according to the mop pad washing settings in the app. After returning to the base station, the robot will be automatically refilled via the base station. Once refilled, the robot will resume cleaning. After the robot finishes its cleaning task and returns to recharge, the base station will automatically collect dust, wash, and dry the mop pad. During the mopping, do not move the base station, water tank, or washboard filter arbitrarily. Follow the above-mentioned steps to enjoy the convenient cleaning experience from the Dreame Robot Cleaner.